So today I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on your Android phone. That feature is not on iPhones, but on Android you can do that. You can have two WhatsApp accounts running on a particular WhatsApp app on your phone. And to do that, you just have to click on the three dots on the top right corner of your phone. After clicking on it, it brings out these options. Then you click on settings. After clicking on settings, you go to the account section. After that, you can see on the top of your phone, you can see add account. You click on add account, then you choose add WhatsApp account. Add WhatsApp account. Then from there, you just register the WhatsApp account you want to create, you want to have on your phone. So take you just click on agree and continue. Then you input the phone number and you continue with the remaining registration. So that's how to add or to have two WhatsApp accounts on one Android phone. Thank you very much.